Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something a little different than a DIY. We are going to propagate this pretty little prayer plant. This is the Maranta lemon or lime, I believe. Lemon. She has grown luscious and vivacious since I got her, and the details are absolutely stunning. If you want to learn how to propagate or even figure out what propagation is, stay tuned. Propagation is basically creating an entire new plant from a plant you already have. Crazy, right? The only way I've ever propagated is water propagation. You can use soil to propagate, you can use moss, but for me, water is just easy because honestly, I am extremely nosy and I like to see the roots and see like just the growth, and I don't know, I'm a nerd when it comes to plants. So every plant is different with nodes, and the nodes are where the hormones are at basically in a plant, which allows the roots to grow. So basically with this guy, you cannot just take, like, say this leaf right here, cut it off and stick it in water, because it's not gonna make it. One, he's a brand new leaf and you don't want to take him because he's a baby. And two, there is no node, so the leaf is just going to find a node for the prayer plant. You kind of have to like dig in a little, and if you guys are familiar with propagation and you have, say, a pothos or a philodendron, it's a little easier to find a node on those guys. You have these guys, right? They all look like they're stemming out. So we have those two, and then this guy, and then it kind of looks like it goes to a small little point here. This right here is your node. So that is where you're going to cut about an inch or half an inch below it. And then you can pop this boy in water with the 3 leaves that are, oh no, there's 4, with the 4 leaves that are on it, and propagate. But it's crazy too, because if you look, this guy also kind of has a bump. So guess what? You could potentially snip this guy from this leaf and have a solo grower. But I'm just gonna leave them all together and just propagate the entire stem. These are the 3 cuttings that I got. I took 2, but ended up getting 3 out of it. All I'm gonna do, take some water. Just make sure that node is in the water. Oh, hey, what's up? That's it. That's how you water propagate a Maranta plant. And in a month or 2, this guy should be able to be repotted in soil, and I will have a baby plant from the mama plant. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you love plants like me, leave a comment. Let me know your favorite plant. Let me know if you have a Maranta plant and if you've ever water propagated before. I would love to hear from you guys. So that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up, and I'll catch you in my next one.